So, as planned, I spent yesterday in the dry and warmth of my van, pretty much just the whole day in my van, which was alright. I just did loads of work on my laptop, and then the reason being because today I looked at the weather forecast and it's going to be 33 degrees, and wow, it's a beautiful day, clear blue skies. So I'm going to be doing some waterfall hunting today. I've got 3 waterfalls in the, I think it's Peneda-Gerês National Park, which is where I'm staying. Campsite literally 5 minutes away from this first waterfall, so let's go and check it out. There's quite a few people here, I think. Maybe have a swim. Got 3, so I could swim in them all, but just pick the best one. If it's not suitable, then I'll carry on. So let's go and check it out. Absolutely buzzing. It's like a pool. So that's waterfall number 1 done. It was really good. Gonna head now to the next one. I think it's about a 20-minute drive, so let's go and check it out. So on to waterfall number 2, called Cascata do Arado, I think. Seems like it's really busy, this one. The parking's quite full. Just left waterfall number 2 and I couldn't help but stop here. The roads here are amazing, just winding through these mountains, and the views, wow, check this one out. So I'm on my way to waterfall number 3 of the day. This is the most touristy one, I think, and it's also hopefully going to be the biggest, or I think it's got the biggest pools that you can actually swim in. It's bang on the border, so you pay $150 to come into the area up the road, and then you travel about 3 kilometers up, drive past the main waterfall, and then right by the border there's a small car park, which you can park in, and then you walk down to the waterfall. So I'm just walking down now. I had a little look whilst I was driving. It does look really good, look quite busy, but there's loads of nice pools that you can swim in. So I'm not actually overly fussed about having a swim, because I've had a swim at the 2 other waterfalls that I've been to. So if it's really busy, I'm not too worried, but I've got my trunks on, so I'll go in if I feel like it. Then this afternoon, after I visited this waterfall, I'm gonna be crossing the border into Spain. So it's my last day in Portugal today, to head northeast up towards Bilbao and the Basque region for a few days, because I've only now got nine days left until I need to return on next Saturday. So yeah, the clock's ticking really. It might be a bit of a sprint finish. I think I'm nearly here, literally less than a 5-minute walk. So there's the waterfall. It's really quite busy. I mean, there's only like 30 people there, but it's quite a small space, so probably going to give this one a miss. I'll have a look further down, see if there's another pool you can go in. It is actually a really cool one. We've got a really big pool at the bottom to swim in, and quite a large waterfall. So I've come to the other side of the bridge. I'm just following a path because the river's flowing that way, so who knows, there might be some more pools here. I thought earlier I heard a noise of bees. Just walked up this path and there's loads of beehives. But I can come down here, hopefully away from the bees. So I've come just to the other side, and there's hardly, well, I haven't seen anyone yet. There's quite a lot of bees. Shit. But just get past these bees. But I can hear quite a large waterfall, so I don't think those bees are going to sting me. Holy shit, there's loads of them. Hopefully they're not wasps. Literally no one here. So I found out why the one that I went to, there was no people there. Probably because of the bees. Ended up getting chased out by the bees. Had to get a bit of a jog on. So yeah, I'm just heading back to the van now. I've just visited these, haven't been for a swim, but it's all good. They're pretty nice. Would come back when it's not so busy. And yeah, just gonna find a campsite now and then head there for the evening. So I am just leaving the car park. Had a bit of an ice cream. I burnt my nose today. Just had an ice cream and right on the border, cafe right on the border, just about to drive through now into Spain. So last few minutes in Portugal. Let's get on the road. Gonna do a bit of driving, need to get some signal to find where I'm gonna stay tonight.